It looks like a heavy rain is coming.
Mom, I can smell the earths.
Mom, it started raining.
Time to light the stove. Evenings like this bring peace to the heart.
Should I close the door, Mom?
No, let the breeze come in.
Who could it be at this hour?
Excuse me, may we take shelter from the rain?
Of course, please come in. This home is open to all.
Here, take these dry clothes. You'll catch a cold.
We truly appreciate this.
We'll make something simple, but from the heart.
Look how hard it's raining. It feels like the sky is crying. Can I help with the bread?
Yes, make it with love for our guests.
The smell alone is so comforting.
Where are you coming from? From a distant town. It's been a long journey.
You should stay the night. It's not safe outside. The rain outside is so heavy.
Let's stay in the house.
Have some tea. It will warm you up.
Tomorrow we should play in the mud.
This will be a night to remember.
It feels like we're at home, not strangers.
Thank God everyone is safe.
We'll never forget this night.
This home will always welcome you.